Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness. And you have a lot of fun in your life. Trendiest Mesmerizing, and today I show you in this video very attractive and latest collection. Of low maintenance hairstyle for girls and women. Many much more different ideas of low maintenance hairstyle. With beautiful haircut. Eye-catching hair dye. And many much more stylish and beautiful ideas of low maintenance hairstyle. For girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about so beautiful ideas of hairstyles in low maintenance. Fine hairstyle and so beautiful ideas of messy hairstyle. Beautiful collection of spiky hairstyle. And beautiful ideas of too short wave and curls on hair. Wavy curly hair styling. And different ideas of haircut. Pixie haircut, bob haircut. Shaggy haircut, wedge haircut. and different type of haircut. Some ideas layered, some ideas step. Some ideas in undercut and shaved art. And so beautiful collection of hair dye, blonde color, burgundy color, light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color, some ideas in funky colors. And so attractive, beautiful ideas of highlights. Highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky colors. And so beautiful ideas of base color, light base color, dark base color. And many much more beautiful and stylish ideas. Trendy collection. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish. And you look too gorgeous, you look very pretty. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video, your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me. Support my channel can't go without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. Once again, I request you, if you are not subscribed my channel, so please make sure you do subscribe my channel and like my video. So friend, thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll write back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.